try to control it. Even when I know it's been forever, I can still feel this pain. Hurts when I still remember and I didn't wanna feel it again. Don't know if you get it, cause I can't express how thankful I am that you were always with me when it hurts, and know that you understand. I don't wanna lose control. Nothing I can do anymore. Trying all the day when I hold my breath, spinning on this space, pacing on my chest. I don't wanna lose control. Sometimes I'm feeling that it's coming, but I know it's not. Trying to breathe in it and hoping that you get home. Cause even though I'm more than knowing, I know how to shake off the pace. I wouldn't admit it if I didn't have you holding my hand. I don't wanna lose control. Nothing I can do anymore. Trying all the day when I hold my breath, spinning on this space, pacing on my chest. I don't wanna lose control. I need you to know that I've never been this strong without you. You've seen how I've done, you took how much after you were home. I don't wanna lose control. Nothing I can do